On April 6, 2021, voters in the Independent School District will be presented with a no-tax increase bond issue. This $43 million bond includes safety and security improvements, fine arts and auditorium renovations, and playground upgrades in the ISD. The bond also includes facility maintenance and improvement projects throughout the Independent School District. The bond includes significant investments in the safety and security of students and staff. Currently, more than a dozen schools have only a singular locking door, and some not routing those who enter directly into the front office. The bond passage would ensure all ISD schools have a vestibule with double-door secure entrance, like the one in these architect renderings. Performing arts is also a key component of the no-tax increase bond, as ISD middle and high schools would receive auditorium, choir, band, and orchestra room renovations and improvements. These architect renderings highlight some of the projects. ISD elementary schools will receive playground equipment upgrades and all-weather surfacing. Facility maintenance and additional needed projects include classroom renovations, asphalt and concrete repairs, HVAC maintenance, roof repairs, window replacement, and field and parking lot lighting. Bond projects also include stadium seating and a lunchroom expansion at Van Horn High School, renovating the industrial arts area at Truman High School, tennis courts and a softball field at Truman and William Chrisman High Schools. This will allow student athletes to practice and compete on their home campus. These projects were identified by patrons, parents, students, teachers, and community members through our Community School Improvement Plan, or CSIP, process. Voters overwhelmingly approved the last bond issue in 2017 by the highest margin in district history. The district delivered progress as promised, completing all projects on time and under budget. The 2017 bond built Castle Park Elementary, eased overcrowding throughout the district, eliminated all mobile trailers, and advanced the academy model for all ISD high school students. The ISD is committed to fiscal responsibility and has continued to save taxpayer dollars whenever possible, while continuing to serve and support our staff, students, families, and community. The district has saved taxpayers more than $11.6 million over the last 10 years by refinancing. The district has aggressively paid down existing debt, so an increase in taxes is not necessary. Strong schools are essential to thriving communities. On April 6, 2021, voters in the Independent School District will be presented with a no-tax increase bond issue. Please vote.